Yeah, we used our plastic bottle today since as it's a means of managing plastic waste. You see. Yes. So please, we need your bottles. Yeah. Alongside the biggest fruit in the world. Yes, sir. It's a very good source of flour. Use it to bake cake, fry pop-off. Yeah. With healing properties inside. See. Yeah, we should go back to our roots. It's German mystical, nature culture advocate. We should not forget about the source of medicine and food Jah has given us since from way back. You know, a lot of borrowed your Gentile culture and trying to live an ostentate white collar way of life. So you think just buying this ready-made foods outside is the best? But no, man. Go back to your roots.